This week we made slime. It's a sensory activity, which means that it's great for concentration and it's soothing. And it was so much fun. You will need half a cup of PVA glue, a container, a measuring cup, half a cup of water, half a teaspoon of baking or bicarb soda, 1 tablespoon of slime activator. We use contact lens washing solution, but you can also use eye wash as long as it contains boric acid and sodium borate. You'll also need a small cup and a teaspoon or pipette, and we use some food coloring too. Start by measuring out your PVA glue and adding it to the container. Add your baking soda and add the water, and then mix it all together. Now it's time to add the activator, which is either eye wash or contact lens solution. This is where you need to be careful not to add too much. It'll continue to react with the mixture as you work with it, becoming more viscous over time. So it'll turn from a liquid to a loose slime and gradually become more jelly-like. In our first batch, we actually put too much of the activator, and it was only slime for a brief moment before becoming a thick jelly. A word of caution here too. When your activator reacts with the bicarb soda, it'll produce borate ions. This is a safer recipe than some borax slime recipes out there, but you still need to take precautions. The borate ions can't enter your body through your skin, but it's recommended that you make sure any cuts are covered, you don't put your hands to your mouth or eyes, and don't use cups and materials that you cook with. Next, we added a generous helping of food coloring to produce this rich color. It was great to start off with this loose and runny slime and then watch it get thicker and thicker so that he could make these wide and wobbly films. As the activator reacts, it'll become more like a gel while also giving off water. So that you can play with it for longer, just strain off the extra water. We put ours aside for another day to see what it will look like later.